You're strange. No, father's not proud of you. No, sister acts ashamed. And all boys have to love you. 'Cause by the wizard you're acclaimed. And this gift of his curse I have assigned. Maybe at last I know why. We are happy now, wizard and I. One day he'll say to me, you're awfully so superior. Shouldn't a girl who's so good inside have a matching exterior? And since Rome's there to an absurd degree, seem fixated on your verdigris, would it be alright by you if I Of course that's not important to me, so alright, why not? I'll read it live. Oh, what a pair we'll be, the wizard and I. Yes, what a pair we'll be. Oh.